Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to episode 2. I will show you how to make this delicious breakfast sandwich. Stay tuned. We're gonna make some egg with air quotes. And we're gonna start out with a dollop of vegan butter, a healthy dollop. I'm gonna try to make this as quick as possible because I'm literally so hungry. I don't know what kind of particles are in here, so let's try this again. There's like black stuff coming off. That's not what we want. That's not the taste we're going for. I don't even know what that's from. Alright, let's try this again. Alright. A healthy dollop. That's a lot. Okay. You know what? Let's go for it. We're doing this vegan butter. I'm not really a fan of it. I think it was on sale. That's why I grabbed it. It's just okay. I prefer Earth Balance. That's my favorite. Alright. Then we've got our extra firm tofu here. You have to drain. It's like in a bed of water, which is like kind of gross, but hey. And then sometimes I'll take napkin and like squeeze out the extra liquid. But I'm not feeling that today, so we're just gonna crumble it up. Oh my god, that's so cold. So I sped this clip up, but all I added was ground turmeric, some garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, and some nutritional yeast. So off camera I added a bit of salt. Now I'm adding in some chopped onion, and then I'll be adding in some spinach. Sometimes I get some mushrooms too, but I didn't have those today. So I'm just gonna cut everything up, make sure I rinse everything, and add it in. The reason why I'm not using the strainer back there is because it was dirty, and instead of just washing it quickly, I decided to wash it in my hands. Okay, so I realized I probably could have cleaned out the pan before I did the bacon, but I mean, it's all going on the same sandwich and ending up in the same place, so I figured it was okay. Alright, let's finally make dinner. So I've heated this up, this muffin thing. The cheese is like kind of warm, but you know, it's vegan cheese. You gotta work with what we got. And then we're gonna put the tofu on top. It's like steaming hot, so it will definitely melt the cheese. Alright, one more scoop. Okay. We've got some bacon of the vegan variety. And the top. Yum!